Welcome back to Building with Y Power Page Pointers. Today, we're going to assign web roles to contacts. As we discussed previously, Microsoft will assign a web role using the authenticated users role in the Power Pages management app. But that is only one web role, and if you need multiple web roles, that's not going to be very useful. So how do you assign multiple web roles? Well, you can go to Contacts and assign a web role using Contacts. But that's manual and it's kind of clunky and it's not very useful. My solution is to go to Power Automate and use a trigger. And you can use whichever trigger that you want to get the contact and the contact information, but use a relate rows to that contact. Use your contact grid, and then use the relationship, and I'll put this relationship into the notes down below, and use the relationship to get the web roles, and then this relationship will connect your contact to this web role. Because it is a many-to-many relationship, you don't get real good visibility of it, but it will work and it will relate. If you have a different way to relate web roles, tell me down below. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.